Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me, Hanif Abdullah Masud, and today I'm gonna tell you about a drill bit. Drill bit usually used on a drill, in a name, drill bit, used on a drill. But drill bit can be used on a CNC and lathe machine. Drill bit usually made out of steel, made out from titanium or titanium carbide. Yeah, that fancy stuff. And drill bit usually used to make a hole, or can be used on a CNC machine to create stuff. In CNC machine, drill bits can range many type: sharp tip, round tip. Yeah, it can be used for many different things. Drill bit, and some drill bit cheap, 5,000 rupiah each, can range from 5,000 rupiah to each 100,000 rupiah. It's pricey, and drill bits usually come in very light. That's not very heavy, but it's a drill bit. What would you expect? Yeah, it's cheap. It's gonna do what it's supposed to do, but you buy it pricey with branded drill tip. Yeah, it will do what it's supposed to do, and it will improve your performance on the job. The example of it is, from steel. It's usually easy to wear out if you use it to make a hole on a concrete, or on a cement, or on a asphalt. Yeah, it's gonna wear out very fast. But if you buy that made out from titanium or titanium carbide, it will outlast the steel way better. It just, chemistry stuff. It's just stronger, lighter, and yeah, titanium is quite expensive. You made out of drill from it, yeah, it's expensive. That's it from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night.